Gas tanker driver arrested following seizure of loaded gun. Manchester woman injured in hit and run dies. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police on Tuesday arrested a gas tanker driver following the seizure of a loaded gun during a traffic stop along Michael Manley Boulevard in Kingston. His identity is being withheld pending further investigation. Reports from the Ellison Road Police or that about 7 a.m., a team was on duty in the area when the driver was observed committing breaches under the Road Traffic Act. The motorist was stopped. He complied but started to act in a manner that aroused the suspicion of to the lawmen, according to the police. The vehicle was searched and a Glock pistol along with a magazine containing 16 9mm cartridges was found. The driver was subsequently arrested and taken into custody. A Manchester woman who was injured in a hit and run early Tuesday morning has passed away in hospital. Rubena Hall, 50, of Cudley District, died on Wednesday morning. The incident remains under investigation by the Christiana Police. It is reported that about 12:40 a.m. on the day in question, all was along the main road in Cudley when she was hit by a vehicle. The driver sped away. She was assisted to hospital where she was admitted. She died the following day. More details to come following further investigations.